Okay, so I've backed the gator in to the barn. Pretty darn good. Did that without even looking. And the pin I keep right here in this little hole right here. I'm going to set the camera down. Take the pin out. The pin goes down in here. Let's see. Oh, it's a heavy guy. You can do it, I'm sure. Oh, it's cold. Okay. So, pin goes in here like that, and then you put the little locking pin over here. Do that, setting the phone down. Okay. And so, there's only one control that you need to mess with. That's this one. Right now, up here in the engaged position, the belts that move the poop down to these things aren't moving. These things are going to move no matter what. They're on that side, so we never fill the manure past here because we've got it just set to these guys are always going. And then it's the belt conveyor that moves once you let this go. So then what I'm going to do is take the gator out. Hopefully we'll be able to spread this unless it's a solid block of ice this morning. And when I get to where I'm going to spread it, I will pull this lever out like this. And this is a brand new cable, so it should work just fine. And then it spreads. And then when you bring the manure spreader back, you want to make sure that you put it in this locked position again so that you don't spread manure or don't forget to spread manure on the way out. And I ran the pickup up and down the driveway here. I'm walking out of the barn and I ran the pickup. This is all rocks here, so we don't want to spread manure here, but past that telephone pole near those orange flags, that's dirt. That's a dirt road down there. I ran the pickup and I'm going to go see if I can't spread the manure there. And that's probably your best bet for spreading manure in a few days when it's nice and warm.